Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Some Simplification. Today we'll be dealing with limit of a function. The limit of a function, the limit of a function, the limit of a function, limit of a function f of x is written as lim f of x, then x tends to a. So from here, our x is ranging from a. X can be ranging from 1 to infinity, but here x is ranging from a. So we said the limit of a function f of x is written as lim f of x tends to a. So quickly, let's check a few questions under limit of a function. So the first question we'll be solving under limit is evaluate lim x squared minus 2x plus 5, then x tends to 2. So which means our x is ranging to 2, x tends to 2. So from here, the value of x here is 2. So solution, quickly. Solution. So we have lim x squared minus 2x plus 5. So from here, we can split them. So from here, we can have, don't forget that our x tends to 2. So from here, we can split them quickly. So we can have lim x squared minus lim 2x plus lim of 5. Now don't forget that our x tends to 2 here. X tends to 2. And here as well, x tends to 2 here as well. X tends to 2. So which means the value of x from the given x tends to 2, which means we should substitute 2 for x from the given. So now we can now substitute the value of x to the given. Take note, we are told that x tends to 2. So from here now, from here, x squared. So instead of writing x squared now, I'll be writing 2 square, because we are told that x is raised to power 2. X is raised to power 2 minus 2 of x plus 5. So instead of writing x squared now, take note, according to the limit, we're told that x is ranging to 2, x tends to 2. So from here now, we're writing 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 5 plus 5. So from here now, 2 square, that is 4. So here now, I wrote x here. So instead of writing x here, I can now write 2 here. I can write 2 here. So 2 squared, that's 2 times 2, that is 4. Now 4 minus 2 times 2 as well, that is 4. 4 plus 5. So 4 minus 4, that is 0. 0 minus 5, that is 5. So from the question that we're told that the limit of x tends to 2, x squared minus 2x plus 5. So the answer, after using x tends to 2, the range to be 2, we got the answer to be 5. So the answer here is 5. So let's solve the next question. So let's solve the next question. The next question, evaluate lim Then we're told that here as well, x tends to 2. X tends to 2. So we have 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4 all over x square minus 4. X square minus 4. Solution quickly. Solution. Take note, our x tends to 2. So which means we have to substitute the value of x. Instead of writing x, we'll be writing 2. So because the x here from the question, x is ranging to 2. So from here quickly, we're told that 2x minus 4 all over x square minus 4 now equals, from here now, we can factorize it out. We can factorize the common element out here. And here now, in doing that, we'll be having 2, because 2 is common between these 2 here and 4 here. So we'll be having 2 into, so factorizing 2 out of 2x here, we'll be having x minus, factorizing 2 out of here, we'll be having 2. Now, if we should expand back, we'll have to get the answer. Now, 2 times x, that will give us 2x. 2 times minus 2, that will give us minus 4. Now, from here, x squared minus 4. Factorizing this out, this is difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 square. Take note, we'll be having x minus 2, and we'll be having x plus 2. X minus 2, x plus 2. Now, okay, let me expand this so that we'll see that we'll be getting x squared minus 4 back. Let me expand that quickly so that we'll be getting that. Let me use here to solve that. Now let's look at that. X squared minus 4. Now from here, I said we'll be writing x squared minus 2 and also x plus 2. This is the difference of 2 square. Now let's check if we'll be getting our answer back. Let's check. Now from here, x times x, that is x squared. X times 2, that is plus 2x, minus 2 times x, that's minus 2x, minus 2 times plus 2, that is minus 4. Of course, minus times plus, that is minus. 2 times 2, that is 4. Now from here, minus 2x, we have plus 2x minus 2x, they will cancel, plus 2x minus 2x, so here we'll be having x squared minus 4. So you can see that we got that back. We got x squared minus 4 back. So this is different of 2 square. Now from here, quickly from here, haven't done that. From here, we'll be having minus x minus 2 in this bracket, x minus 2 in this bracket here, which will cancel x minus 2 here as well. So from here now, we'll be having 2 from here. So from here, we'll be having 2 all over x plus 2. 2 all over x plus 2. Take note, from the question, we are told that lim x tends to 2. We are told that x tends to 2. So lim x tends to 2. So from here now, this equals 2 all over. Now x, instead of writing x here, we'll be writing 2. So 2 plus 2. Now that equals 2 all over 2 plus 2 here, that is 4. Now from here we can divide 2 here 1, 2 here 1, and 2 here, that is 2. That is 1 over 2. So which means our answer equals 1 over 2. So let's look at another question. But before that, what we did here, we said x squared minus 4x. We use difference of 2 squared, that is x minus 2, x plus 2. And we substitute 2 for x. Instead of writing x, we wrote 2. So from here now, we now said 2 all over 2 plus 2. Now we said 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now 2 here 1, 2 here 2, that is 1 over 2. Let's consider other examples. Let us quickly solve another question. Calculate lim x tends to 0, tends to 0, 3 cos 3 cos x all over x minus 3, x minus 3. So quickly, here we're told that x tends to 0 here. So solution using, let's use using using direct substitution. Using direct substitution, take note x tends to 0, x tends to 0. So here, okay, let's write this lim x tends to 0, x tends to 0, 3 cos x all over x minus 3. Now this equals, now from here, so we're writing this 3 multiplied by, 3 cos x means 3 multiplied by cos x. So 3 multiplied by cos. Now we're told that x tends to 0, x equals 0. So 3 multiplied by cos 0 all over 0 minus 3, all over 0 minus 3. Now from here, we having this 3 3 cos 3 we said 3 cos x over x minus 3. Now we now said 3 multiplied by cos 0 because we're told that x tends to 0. So this will give us 3 multiplied by, take note, cos 0, that is 1, all over 0, all over 0 minus 1, all over 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3. So quickly, now from here we can have 3 multiplied by 1 all over 0 minus 3. Now from here, 3 times 1, that is 3, all over 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Now from here, 3 here 1 and 3 here 1. So which implies minus 1, minus 1. So having solved that lim x tends to 0, 3 cos x all over x minus 3, we got minus 1. Do not forget that we are solving question under a limit of a function. Under limit of a function. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and recommend it to your friends and family struggling with mathematics. Thank you for watching.